Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This is the decellularization process of a spinach leaf. Scientists are removing the cells from this leaf so that all that remains is the scaffold. This isn't blood, it's just red dye to simulate what blood would look like going through the veins of this leaf. The next step would be to fill the leaf with cells of a different organism. Scientists believe it will soon be possible to grow anything from animal meat to a human heart using this method.
Look at this lizard, man. Look at him. Let's go, come on. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This lizard thought this person was a predator, so purposely detached its tail from its body. It's a defense mechanism the lizard uses that's completely harmless, and the tail will grow back in a few months.
Toby!
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
This person was caught fixing the wing of this commercial airplane using duct tape and a credit card to smooth it out.
He came on here, he was like, no,
What did he say?
he was like, well, it extends out too far.
I think it should be
The
okay.
captain
He's
was
using like a credit card to like...
The good news is that the plane did take off without any issues. There's a company that can build a pool that can appear and disappear at the push of a button. This YouTuber wanted to see if he could play video games on his calculator while having it be powered entirely by potatoes.
No batteries, only wires. The wires plug into these. Right back into the action. Okay. I can't believe it. This is Doom running on potatoes.
This mama bear was hunting for fish in this river when she saw both of her cubs go right over the falls. She swam after them and helped get them to safety. That's the end of this video. Hopefully this pleasant cat put a smile on your face, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.